This geometry problem is so clever that when you see the answer, it feels like magic. We are given two concentric circles, one inside the other, like this, and a chord of length 20 units from outer circle touching the inner circle, like this. And our goal is to find the area of this yellow shaded ring. Sounds simple, right? You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it. And when you're ready, you can always come back to verify your answer. All right, let us solve it together. Since these two circles are concentric, it's clear that the area of the yellow shaded ring is just the area of the outer circle minus the area of the inner circle, right? Now, let's define area of the outer circle as A1 and its radius as x, and area of the inner circle as A2 and its radius as y. We know that area of any circle is given by the formula radius squared. Thus, we have A1 pi times x squared and A2 pi times y squared, correct? So the area of this yellow shaded ring will be A1 minus A2, which is pi times x squared minus pi times y squared. Now, taking pi common from left-hand side, we have area of yellow shaded ring equal to pi times x squared minus y squared. Let's put this here in the corner. Now focus on the chord for a second. This chord from outer circle touches the inner circle externally. That means this chord is tangent to the inner circle. And according to tangent perpendicular theorem, tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. That means radius of inner circle is perpendicular to this chord and this is right angle. Also, according to perpendicular bisector of chord theorem, if a line is drawn from the center of the circle to a chord and it is perpendicular, it will divide the chord into two equal halves. That means this is 10 units and this is also 10 units, correct? Now let's draw a line from the center to one end point of the chord, just like this. Did you notice something? This is right angle triangle with hypotenuse as x. One leg is y and other leg is 10 units. So using everyone favorites Pythagorean theorem, we have x squared equals to y squared plus 10. Subtracting y squared from both sides, we get x squared minus y squared equals 10 square or 100. Now substitute this into the formula. Area of yellow shaded ring is equal to 100 pi. And if we take the value of pi as 3.14, we get the area of the yellow shaded ring to be approximately 31.4 square units. And that's our answer. Isn't this feel like magic? Even though we did not know the radius of either circle, we still figured out the exact area of this yellow shaded ring. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.